Hey guys, back again. This week we're on step 11 of the Candid Co. aligners review. And just to recap quickly, step 10, which was my halfway point, there really wasn't much pain other than when I was taking the trays out or putting them back in. And then it was just a brief moment or two where the pain level probably went from like a 2 all the way up to about a 6 or 7, but just for a few moments, just right after you take them out and right when you're putting them in. And other than that, the only other thing that I noticed that's really different is I have a few more gaps. And so anytime I eat anything at all, I have to brush or floss. Like there's food just in my teeth all the time now. Super annoying. So I carry these around with me everywhere I go, and these little toothpicks have been really helpful to get food out of these gaps in my teeth. So here's the big one that we've noticed before, but then this tooth right here also is gap, but this, like this direction, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so I have a few more gaps on my bottom set, and so these have been coming in really handy, and I just keep them in like a little clutch in my purse, along with like my little case and a travel toothbrush and toothpaste. And then I also noticed that they make your mouth really dry, like almost like cotton mouth. So I keep little like small mints that I can just suck on at work. Nobody will notice. You obviously can't chew gum, so I just keep the little mints with me. And I've just been drinking water like crazy. I don't know why, but for some reason these just dry out my mouth. Even chapstick and drinking as much water as humanly possible, they just make my mouth really dry. So something to think about, keeping some mints on hand. Anyway, so I'm gonna go on to step 11, and then we'll see you back in a couple weeks. Any questions or comments, definitely feel free to leave those for me. Here we go. For some reason, they're not really seating in the back right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Chewy and just see if those will seat properly. They're just kind of like hanging down, and this one's just popping out. So I'm gonna chew on this for a little bit, and we will see you again in 2 weeks.